I believe entrepreneurs need to build an end-to-end frictionless marketing and technology solution that bridges the gap between what technology can do and how it's actually used to solve what we call the last mile problem. Now, our Matagy system offers a McKinsey-style management and strategy service that replaces an entire marketing team for the cost of one senior level position. It leverages content marketing, standardized technology, AI tools, and tactics designed to lower friction and enhance efficiency and grow recurring revenues. Now, significantly enhancing an entrepreneur's efficiency doesn't merely boost their output. It elevates them to a higher level of abstraction, allowing them to utilize more of their cognitive capabilities. Now, our revenue model is supported by our not-for-profit, the Unity Network Foundation, and the digital Ronin Apprentice program for young entrepreneurs. The program teaches digital skills to disadvantaged youth in Africa. Once they're trained, we match them with our clients in North America. If you want to learn more ways to leverage technology so you can do work you love and design your future, please like and subscribe. I'm Martin Ricketts, the Digital Samurai.